Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your phone number to your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Whether you run a business page or just want to make it easier for people to reach you, adding your phone number is a great way to stay connected. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select the page you want to update. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your page, but with the new update, it might also appear as a tab at the top. Click on About to continue. Now, scroll down until you see the option to add contact information. Look for the Add Phone Number button and click on it. A box will pop up, prompting you to enter your phone number. Type in your number carefully, making sure it's correct. This is the number people will use to contact you directly from your Facebook page. After you've entered your phone number, double-check to make sure there are no mistakes. Once you're sure everything looks good, click the Save button. Facebook will update your page, and your phone number will now be visible in the contact section of your page's About area. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your Facebook page using your PC. This simple update makes it easier for customers, friends, or followers to reach out to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.